Okay, Chef Sarah Glover here. We are down at the Ecology Center. This is my mum. We are setting up for a very special dinner tonight. So my good friend Donavon Frankenreiter and I were auctioned off at the Ecology Center to basically, the way they raise money is it's a full regenerative not-for-profit farm. So we donated our time. So Donavon is going to come and play and I am cooking for everyone. So we are getting set up. This is what it looks like before everything goes up. This is all going to change. Donavon will probably play over here. This is the farm up over here, and I'm going to take you guys on a ride and show you how I do one of these events. So in here we have all of our beautiful vegetables that are from the farm: pomegranates, tomatoes, blackberries, new season carrots. What have I got in here? Beautiful eggplant, radishes, zucchinis. There's a lot of work to do. The chickens are defrosting, and then in the walk-in I've got some amazing halibut, which I'm going to slug on the fire. I have got my work cut out for me. I'm not going to lie. Been a little under the weather today. Definitely battling the end of a cold. So I've got to stay hydrated. Okay, so it's about 2:30 and we've got our chickens up. These are basted in peri-peri sauce that Chef Doug from the Ecology made. This is some honey chili butter. And then in my horno, we've got some jalapeno smoking with blue cheese. And they're setting up the tables for tonight's dinner. Next up is fish. And we're making like a rosella syrup in there. Just Chef Doug. Say good day.
Eggplant, garlic,
smoked garlic. We're gonna make a baba ganoush for our chicken. It's gonna be banging.
good egg.
Aye, mate. Aye. So this is halibut. And it's really special white flesh fish. I really love it. We actually don't get this in Australia, so it's really fun to be able to cook with this here in California. Male, like classic male, just
Thank you so much.
wondering.
Cheers to your carriers. Can you grab Donovan's place again?
Okay guys, that is the end of the evening. We just served dessert. I hope you enjoyed watching me cook and Donavon playing. Make sure you subscribe, link below, and tell your friends. Let me know what you'd like to see on the next adventure with Sarah. Happy eating!